Today is April 28, 11:11 a.m. We are following up on Intel INTC. It has reported earnings. And so you'll see here it has rallied. And on April 19, which is right here on this day, we made a trade on this before earnings, made a video also. So make sure to watch that. If you haven't, we'll put that video at the top here and at the end of this video if you have info cards turned on. This was trading at about 31.4 and we're just about there, 31.3. And so if you remember, 9 days ago on this day, we put on this trade. It was this trade. And so we are actually right at that mark near max profit here, because we're trading right here where we basically were originally. And so this was a very successful trade, hitting max profit, and quite unusual because they were selling the 31.5 calls expiring today, and which is what we did too. Our positions are still here. You'll see here our 31.5 calls here, and also the May 19 calls that we got that were long to create this diagonal spread. And so you'll see here we're hitting our max profit. This was a 150 buying power because the strike prices are $150 away. And so once the day expires, once the market is about to close, we will be able to hit our max here, because right now it's right there. It'll rise up to here, because you'll see that the theta here is actually very high at the last few hours of the trading day, and so this price can go up and down. It'll be quite beneficial because the theta is so high. It's going to push that purple line. Once it expires at the end of the day, it will become this this line at max profit here. And so we'll be taking this trade off, obviously, because it will expire today. So those 9 days have been quite predictable with these unusual options. It came right exactly where we were, and on this day when we predicted it. So make sure to watch that video on April 19 to learn how we predicted and made this trade. And then you can incorporate it maybe into your trading strategy on how we did this. This is just 9 days, came back up exactly where we had predicted. So subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon. You will be notified whenever we see these unusual options coming on the tape. These unusual options tell us a story of what the large institutions are doing with their trades here. So as the more videos you watch, the more you'll learn on how to analyze and interpret this data. And so this is another example of how these unusual options were very predictive 9 days ago. Okay, smash that like button. Thank you all, and take care.